Let me show you a simple way to style your box braids with a claw clip. Look at all this growth, and I did these braids only 2 weeks ago on this video. I'm going to be using the Herb Infused Hair Oil. I'm going to apply it to my scalp. I do this every other day, and I massage it in. I try and apply it throughout my whole scalp. I'm going to be using this metal claw clip. I love this claw clip, it's so cute. I know it looks small, but the way I'm going to do the style, I'm going to be able to use this claw clip. So I'm going to divide my hair like so in 2 sections, and then I'm going to twist each section individually. You see I'm holding each section. I know sometimes it's a bit hard to put it in place, but you can just make sure you arranged the hair well. So I twist it between themselves in that area and make sure it's neat and it's easy to clip in. So I put one of the sections up and then the other one. Can you see how I did that? And then I put my claw clip on it, and that's how I wear it with a claw clip. And that's it. Very simple, very cutesy, very demure. Do you like it? I'm gonna do my edges now. So I'm gonna use the same EcoSolid gel. I think I have another video where I show you how I do this. So just gonna apply the gel. Very cutesy and very demure. Very elegant. So just doing my edges as usual. I'm using a paper wrap so I can set my edges in place, and then I'm using a edges scarf, and after this I'm gonna dry it lightly. The blow dryer is not on an high setting. You can use a medium to low setting for this, and then I'm gonna remove everything, and ta-da! Your edges will stay in place for longer. I need to stay put for the whole day. What do you think of this? Do you like it? Would you try it? Those sections could be smaller, but maybe next time I'll do that. Bye bye.